Hello guys, we got another review for you on the TattsForLife channel. Now food review. It's 2 a.m. in the morning, and why not do a food review? So today we got the classic nacho cheese Doritos in fun size. Snack size, I guess. You know, fun size is little packages. Anyhow, it says snack boldly. Let's just jump into this review. Open up, and you get a bag full of chips. Not much air in them. It's about like that. You get the classic Dorito. What that is? Check that out. It smells like a Dorito. If you ain't never smelled a Dorito before, I suggest you try it out. So let's get a taste of this Dorito. Try one more. It's got that classic nacho cheese flavor. We're like a corn chip smothered in nacho cheese. That's the best way to describe the flavor. You know how Doritos is supposed to be a square? Or not a square, but a triangle? They never do come out of the bag looking like a triangle much often. See? See? I grew up on Doritos. Such a 80s, 90s snack. I did. I like them with jalapeno dip too. Oh, I like them smothered with nacho cheese on them. That's another way I like my Doritos too, but it's nacho business. Yeah. But, let's just jump straight into it. What would I give Doritos? 1 out of 10. They are 8. They could be a little bit better, but they're great as they are. So, they really don't need improvement, but they could use just a tiny bit, but you might mess them up if you try to make them better. So just leave them the way they are, because they're great the way they are. Now, I hope you enjoyed this short review. Check out my channel for more videos. And don't forget to subscribe for more daily content. And until next time I see you then, take care. Bye-bye now.